Before I step into the class, technology helps me prepare. From schedules to reminders, it keeps my day organized and stress-free. Watching real nursing procedures online helps me learn step by step. I can pause, replay, and practice until I understand every movement. When I'm unsure about a term, I use my tablet to check reliable medical application. This helps me avoid mistakes and enhance clinical accuracy and promote patient safety. Even when we are apart, technology brings us together. I use my phone to check the notes we share, discuss cases, and help each other grow as a future nurse. Through technology, I became more prepared, more confident, and more responsible. As I step into the school today, I am one step closer to becoming a skilled and caring nurse.